By the end of this video, I promise your recipe is going to reach out. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be doing an exciting SP rampage. But before we get into it, you're more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. This course guides you step by step to manifesting your SP with 90-minute videos per module, 14 modules, presentation, homework, weekly affirmations. You will not be able to get your SP off you. So if that sounds good, just go on ritakaminski.com/courses to access that, or click on the second link in the description box down below. You can also check out my self-concept course at ritakaminski.com/courses, or click the first link in the description box down below. Check out my one-on-one coaching by clicking the third link in the description box down below, or joining my collective coaching, which you can do so by clicking on the fourth link in the description box down below. If you want to see everything that I offer, simply go on ritakaminski.com. Your SP cannot get enough of you, no matter how you look, no matter what mood you're in, no matter if you deem yourself to have the worst or the best day of your life. Your SP cannot get enough. They will go to massive lengths to put a smile on your face. Everything that you are, they want, they need in their presence, because your souls were intertwined before y'all were born on this planet. You had a soul agreement coming here on this earth, and you're feeling these feelings for good reason, because you signed a soul contract before coming onto this planet. And so did they. They literally unconditionally love you. That song by Katy Perry, I Will Love You Unconditionally, yeah, that was written for your SP to sing to you. He loves you. He cannot get enough of you. He wants to text you every day. He wants to talk to you every day. He wants to know every single little molecule, atom, detail, every single thing about you. He wants to know how you are with your friends. He wants to know how you are alone. He wants to know how you are with your parents. And he is always on your side. He is almost damn near a stalker if you didn't find him cute, or her cute, or them cute. But it is what it is. He wants to be around with you 24/7. He worships the ground that you walk on. He needs to know every single aspect of you. He's obsessed with you. He will do anything to make you be his. He is working on himself right now in order to show up as someone who is worthy of your time and attention, because if he doesn't believe that he is worthy, he will laugh himself all the way back home. He will physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally not be able to come to you as a man, as a woman, as a they, them, because they will not feel worthy enough. So they're building that up right now in the best way that they know how, and they just need to have that little bit of confidence, but that is short term, because it comes to a point where they don't care anymore and they just want to be with you. They will have a little freak out moment and go all in or nothing, because it's either all being with you or nothing, not being with you. Anyone else that he has a conversation with, whether it's a family member or someone that he may be potentially dating, it just doesn't hit right. He does not feel understood. He doesn't feel seen. He doesn't feel like he can be himself around anyone else but you. He feels like you understand him. He needs that energy in his life. He unconditionally loves you for all that you are, all of your embarrassing moments, all of your freak out moments, all of the negatives, all of the positives, from head to toe, from the inside to the outside. He adores, drools over everything it is about you, and he will not stop until he comes into contact with you, stays with you, goes on dates with you, impresses you, and all he wants to do is to make you happy. No matter what happens, he wants to make you happy. He feels as though it is his job. So he is doing everything in his power to make that happen. He can't sleep without you, he can't breathe without you, he can't eat, he can't drink, he cannot have proper conversations. Hell, he does not feel like a human being without you. He just feels like he is a shell of himself or a robot, because he genuinely does not feel like anyone can understand you as deeply as you can. So feeling your absence is very, very rough and loud for him right now, especially when he's talking to anyone else, and it just pisses him off. Not that it's anyone else's fault, but I'm gonna tell you right now, he's talking to someone. It could be something platonic, something family related. Literally, it does not matter. He gets pissed off with that person and with the situation because it's not the same. It's not the same energy, it's not the same conversation, it's not the same understanding, it's not the same soul contract. He gets a little bit mad at that, and he's like, why the hell can't I have this with anyone else? Like, what is wrong with me? He's beginning to blame himself, like he doesn't know that it's because y'all are one and the same. It is a soul contract. You guys are soul mates. So he is incredibly, impeccably confused right now. They can't put it into words. They just feel that absence of you, specifically you, and they are putting the puzzle pieces together. And even though they don't deeply on a soul level understand why it is that they want to be with you, they just want to be with you. It is screaming deep within the pit of their soul. All roads point to you. Their intuition is like bam, 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 like blinding lights, blinding signals, blinding signs. Everything inside of himself and everything in the outer world is telling him to contact you, to be with you forever, to unconditionally love and support you, live with you, and just have an amazing and happy life together. And that is what is going to get done, because he understands that. Maybe not on a soul level, but he does truly understand that, and he is doing everything to make this work, and it is already done. You two are in a relationship together because it is meant to be. If you're feeling this, they are feeling this. It is meant to be. Y'all are soulmates. Y'all are in a committed, healthy, happy relationship that is lasting for the rest of y'all's lives, and it is unconditional. He loves you and worships you in each and every single chapter of your life in any way that you come. He loves you, they love you, she loves you, they're in a relationship with you right now. It is already done. Decree it into being. It is here. And now that you watched the entirety of this video, they will conform and contact you, and the rest is history. So with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Again, if you want to take this a step further, enroll in my Manifest Your SP course at ritakaminski.com/courses, or by clicking the second link in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.